everyone. Welcome to Tuesday morning. I feel like it should be like Sunday. I got my coffee. I'm just wearing my like cute little around the house set. I feel like it should be Sunday and not Tuesday. Welcome! Anyways, hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a fun little kind of impromptu video. I didn't even think I was going to film today, but then I actually saw Kathleen's like Monday night makeup session that she posted on her Instagram stories last night, and I was just like, you know what? I want to do something simple. I want to do something fun, something simple. I do have some new stuff to still play with, namely this Tarte Tinted moisturizer. I've got some lip glosses from Anastasia right here that I can play with. So I still have some new things, but yeah, I want to do that with you guys today. And if you're new to the channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on into the video. This coffee is so good. So I'm actually going to start off with my face makeup today. Who is she? I literally never do that. The reason I'm doing that is because the eye look is so simple. I actually wanted to do the same eye look that Kathleen did on her Makeup Monday Instagram video thingy. And it's so cute. It's extremely simple. The reason I want to is that I really want to play with the Kaja wing stamp again. I think I put this in a favorites video like a couple months ago. I feel like I did. I'm not entirely sure, but if I haven't, I love this thing. It is fantastic. I love it so much. But I wanted to start with my face today, and I'm not going to say all the products that I'm using, but I'll of course have them linked or like listed in the description. But I thought the look that she did was so pretty. It was very like ethereal and it was very simple. Don't get me wrong, but I really like this simple look sometimes. And the thing is that sometimes I feel like I can't find, like if I do like more dramatic looks or if I do something that has a lot more color to it, I'm afraid that I really can't do liner because it would kind of take away from the look. And I want to do more of like a bold lip today, and I can't really do that with a bold eye look. So the look that she did with the really soft, really pretty, natural, basic eye, it was very, very pretty. So we're going to be doing that today. So Mother's Day is coming up, and I'm super excited about it. Me and my mom, we're so funny. This is how just my family is. Whenever we get each other gifts, it's never really a surprise because we don't really do surprises because we want to make sure that everyone likes what they're getting and it doesn't want to be something like, I don't know, I would rather know what I'm getting and be excited about it than be surprised with something that I don't want, you know? And I know a lot of people are not like that. So if you're not like that and if you love surprises, I totally get that as well. For me personally, my parents and I, we've always been very, this is what you're gonna get, and you know, she'll ask me like 2 months in advance what I want for my birthday or something, and then, you know, I normally just tell her money. But if I do tell her something in particular, then she'll be like, okay, well, I'll get you that. So I'll know what I'm getting for my birthday 2 months in advance or for Christmas or whatever. So, and that is totally fine with me because again, I know that I want it. Like I know it's something that I want. Same for her. My mom does not want me to get her something that is a surprise because she wants to make sure that she wants it, you know? So me and her were on the phone last night. My mom has become increasingly obsessed with coming over to my house, and I'm so happy to have her. Like the thing is that it's really funny, but I enjoy these times so much. But she comes over, and every time she comes over like after work, and she always wants me to make her coffee, and I love it so much because of course I have that espresso maker now, so I can make all kinds of coffee drinks. And she is obsessed with Bones coffee, as am I. I love Bones coffee, but she loves the salted caramel one. So we were actually on the phone last night, and then she was so sweet. She goes, Kenzie, I feel like I need to give you some coffee and like buy you some coffee because I always drink all your coffee when I come over. And I said, well, Mama, you don't have to do that because I'm happy to do that for you, and I really am. I'm so happy to make coffee because, I mean, I have a lot of coffee. Like I really do, and there's no way that I'm going to be able to drink all this coffee before it goes bad. I was like, well, you really don't have to do that. But she goes, oh, I want to. And I said, okay, well, she asked if there was a certain kind that I wanted, and then I just said to her, and I said, well, Mom, is this something that you'd want me to get you for Mother's Day? And she goes, well, I don't know, maybe. And that means yes. In my mom's language, that 100% means yes. My mom sometimes has a hard time being like, yeah, I want that thing. She just goes, I don't know. And I'm like, Mama, you gotta tell me something. Come on, tell me something. But me and her spent like an hour on the phone last night, like picking out coffee for each other. I got her 4 coffees, and I actually got her a little surprise. And I don't think she watches my videos. My dad does sometimes though. So Dad, if you watch this, don't tell her. I also got her they have a Keurig at home, and she didn't know this, and I didn't know they had this either until I saw it online last night. And they have K-cups. So I got her 4 bags of coffee. She got the salted caramel, of course. Then I got all of hers in ground coffee because they don't have a espresso maker at their house. But she uses the Keurig all the time. So I got her the salted caramel. I got her this one called Salty Siren, which is like mocha, which is like a caramel mocha. It sounded fantastic. And then I got her one that is chocolate raspberry. And she's like super, that's like, sounds right up her alley. And then what was the other one? Oh, S'more Time. That one is like a s'mores one, so that one's really good. She likes that one too. So I got her those 4, and then when we got off the phone, I actually just placed the order for the Keurig cups, the K-cups, and those are all in salted caramel. Because I know that if she doesn't want to like spend the time to, you know, get the grinds and like put them in the thingy and make the coffee the long way, then she can just pop the K-cup into her Keurig and then just make it that way, make it super easy. So I'm super excited to surprise her with those because she doesn't expect that. She got me, I got a salted caramel and the bean because I only get my coffee in beans. Not that there's anything wrong with ground coffee, there's really not. I have a espresso machine, so I prefer to have like whole beans. And I am not a barista, like I know nothing about coffee. I just know that I like to drink it and I think it's really fun to make. But she got me this one called carrot cake. It was like carrot cake and cream or something. It was the one they were putting out for like Easter time for spring, and I really wanted to try it. I loved me some carrot cake, so I wanted to try that one. And then I also got a salted caramel for here because whenever she comes over, that's the one I know she's gonna want. So what else did I get? I have to look at my order. Oh yeah, okay. So I got salted caramel, carrot cake, and salty siren as well because I looked at that and I said, ooh, that sounds fantastic, that mocha one. So I actually got a 12 ounce of that one for me also. What am I doing? I need to set really, really quick. I don't like to use too much powder, but this powder I really like a whole lot. It's the Mcgrath Powder, and I only really set under my eyes right here. I feel so bad because I only have one of these brushes and I use it for both my bronzer and my cream blush. I ordered another one. I ordered another one of these brushes, so one of them can just be meant for bronzer and meant for blush. I'm like wiping it off on my towel down here, trying to like get all the blush off. Yeah, that's all right. And then I think I have another one coming in the mail. It should actually be here today probably. Going in with the Fenty Cream Bronzer. I'm obsessed with this. Like, expect this to be in my favorites video for May. Where has the time gone? I know how people always say, you know, as you get older or like as you have more things to do, the time goes by a whole lot faster. Like, I've understood that and I've felt that to an extent, like a little bit, but this year I have never felt the time go by so fast, which is weird because we've been in quarantine literally all year, since like the mid-February. We've been in quarantine. So I don't understand how the time is going by so fast for me. Raph went back home in March, and I feel like, of course I miss him every day and I want him to come back, but it's been March, April, May, well, it's been 2 months. I feel like it hasn't been very long at all. I hope he'll be able to come back in June because we're both Geminis, which could go really well or really bad. My birthday is his birthday is on June 4th and mine is on June 7th. So I'm really hoping he can come back for our birthdays, but if he can't, then, you know, it happens. But for us both being Geminis, we get along really, really well. But air signs, like, you do typically get along with your sign. So like, I'm an air sign, he's an air sign. It is easier for us to get along, I guess. I don't know. I'm not 100% versed when it comes to astrology, but I love astrology so much. What was I talking about? The time, oh, so the time is, I feel like it's gone by so fast. Like, I genuinely feel like we should actually be like in March. Like, I feel like it shouldn't be May. It is too fast to be May. Like, it's literally almost half the year. Like, June is half of the year. And I feel like that is just incorrect. I love the fact that it's summer now. That's exciting, and I want to have a hot girl summer. I want it to be hot. I'm really excited. I'm going in with Fenty Beauty's blush, cream blush. This is in the shade Petal Poppin. I love this shade. Ah, so nice. Oh my gosh, so nice. I actually did use this Tarte foundation yesterday as well, and I'm really enjoying it. I genuinely believe when I hauled this, when I did the haul, I thought this was gonna be way too dark. It's actually not. It's actually a perfect shade. I'm so excited. But, so next month is gonna be June, and that's gonna be like, I can't get over it. I don't know, I just feel like the time is just flown. Maybe it's because like I work from home, I film from home obviously, and maybe it's just, I feel like I have more to do than I have ever, but like I don't really feel that way. What have you guys been thinking? Do you feel like the time is going by so slow like I do, or so fast like I do, or has the time been crawling by for you? Because I've heard both stories. One of my friends, she said that the time was going by so slow. Like she felt like April. I have heard people say that they felt like April would never end. That April would never end, but now it finally has. I thought April went by like that. I heard that Sean, aka Jacksepticeye, is coming out with his own coffee company. I'm 100%, I cannot wait to see his like reveal on that and hear more about it, because you know your girl is going to be 100% getting coffee. Just because I like Sean. I think Sean's a really cool person. I don't know him personally, but like from what I do know of him, like from like videos and stuff, he seems so genuine and like such a nice guy. So I want to support him. Obviously, and you know how much I love coffee, so I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to hear more. I don't know if it's going to be like ground coffee or bean coffee, or if he's gonna do like his own kind of thing with it. I'm going in with the So Jaded palette by Colourpop and Kathleen, because this is the one that Kathleen used in her video. I'm actually very curious, do you guys watch other channels besides makeup channels? Like if you watch me, thank you so much for one, I really appreciate it. If you do watch me, do you watch other, like, do you primarily watch other beauty channels? Do you watch other makeup channels? Or do you have like a very wide range of people you watch? Because I really do. Like I watch beauty, I watch gaming, and so I watch like Sean, Mark, I watch Felix occasionally. I like Felix, he's cool. I wish Marcia still made videos. I understand why she didn't want to do YouTube anymore, but I follow her on Instagram and I'm loving her Animal Crossing content. It's so cute. But I watch so many channels. Like I watch League of Legends channels, I watch Magic the Gathering channels, I watch cosplay channels. Jessica Negri uploaded a new video to her YouTube. It's been like a year. I nearly fell over when I saw that she had uploaded a video. I'm so excited. So I watched it immediately. I'm going into Royal Jewels right up here. So there's a lot of channels I watch. I watch history channels. I watch medical channels. I even watch, this is gonna sound disgusting, which I understand that it is. I even watch, you know, those pimple popping videos and like people getting their ingrown toenails cut out. Like, I don't know. I'm like so weird. Actually, I also watched a couple like D&D channels before. Oh, not like channels, but this guy, he also does magic videos, like Magic the Gathering online videos, but he also did like a D&D campaign with his friends, and I watched that and it was so fun because I love D&D. D&D is like my favorite game of all time. Like D&D, Pathfinder, the Lord of the Rings one, love that one. I have withdrawals from D&D. But yeah, let me know. I'm really curious to know what kind of other channels that you guys watch besides like makeup content. Kiva is getting a spa day tomorrow. Yes, she is. I'm so excited for her because she got her last shot yesterday. Well, she has one more in 3 weeks. But since she's 5 months old, they were able to go ahead and give her her next parvo shot and her rabies shot. So she's now legal since she has her rabies shot. And she has like a little heart necklace little thingy that goes on her collar that says like Department of Health or whatever. And I'm so excited. So that means that she's legal. She has one more parvo shot and then she can go outside all she wants. And I'm so excited. I can't wait for her to be able to go outside. That's all I want. Because I'm sick and tired of her peeing and pooping in my house. Which I totally get. Like, I'm not actually mad about it. She's a puppy. I'm going in with Diamond right here and just kind of putting it all over the lid. It just gives the lid this kind of like wet look. Like, it genuinely looks wet. Like, I thought that Kathleen had put like lip gloss, because I know people are doing that now too. I thought Kathleen had put gloss on her lids to make them look glossy like that, but nope, it's just this shade. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm just going back in with Royal Jewels and putting it on my lower lash line. Now, this is the really hard part. I'm gonna have to try to get my liner even. I can't, well, actually I need to do my brows. Let me do my brows really quick. I'm gonna do these off camera, then I'll be right back. I literally spent like the last, well, it didn't take me too long, but it was like the last 10-ish minutes trying to make sure that these were relatively even. They're not bad. They're really not bad. They're good for me. And I'll take it. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the Anastasia Lash Brag Mascara. Okay, so I did my mascara. Now all we have left to do is lips. Actually, I'm going to do, I may not need a highlight, but I want to use this because it's new. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Strobe palette. Yes! There we go. I don't think my skin needed any more shine, but you know, what can you do? Alright, I'm going in with the Colourpop Luxe lip right here. This is in the shade Wonder Boy. It's from Hercules. They're like other princess collection. Got it. There was a fuzz in the air. Now, Kathleen actually did use the new Anastasia Lip Gloss. I don't know where it's gone. Oh, here it is. She used the shade Sparkle Lava. Maybe this one actually does look really, really pretty. Let me see if I can swatch on the back of my hand for you real quick. Oh, wow, yeah. This one actually does look really pretty. Look at that. Wow, okay. I love this lip going on right now. So let's try it. Oh, wow. Oh, that was a good choice. That was a fantastic, oh yes, I love that so much. Okay, this is the look. I don't have any setting spray with me or else I would use that, but anyways, this is the look we did do today. I am absolutely obsessed with it. I think it is so beautiful. I think it's so pretty and it's so easy. Like literally, I've gotten to the point where I don't even use actual foundation anymore. I just use some kind of tinted moisturizer because I love, wow, okay. Tell me how you really feel. But I love the way it makes my skin look. My skin looks so nice and like juicy and plump right now. Like it doesn't look dry whatsoever, so I'm obsessed with that. Yeah, I love this look. I think it's beautiful. I will definitely do this again for like a simple, easy kind of look. I really, really like it a lot. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be the video for today. I love this. From Tarte is really great, and this lip gloss, holy crap, was beautiful. And then of course the Kaja wink stamp is like a ride or die for me at this point because I am literal trash at doing my wings, so I need all the help I can get. But you guys, it's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post them when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!